Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how you can make an app using Android Studio. So let's get started. Start the Android Studio and let's work for some time. Android Studio provides the fastest tools for building apps on every type of Android device. So we'll click on New Project and then click Basic Activity. You can also click Empty Activity, but in this tutorial I'll be using the basic activity. So we'll give it a name, My Hello World. Select Java and then click Finish. Since we're creating a new project, it will take time. As you can see in the lower right corner, it will show you the progress of the app. So currently it is processing the radio bills. We'll be using the LDPLayer for the emulator, since sometimes Android Studio built-in emulator takes time. So I'll be using LDPLayer, which is very fast, and it will be very easy for you to test applications quickly. So once the build is completed, so we can just click on the play button, and it will show you the exact app. So we did not write any code, the built-in code built everything for us. So you will see the output of the app right now. So we'll build the application and it will install the application in the emulator. So almost there. It's now launching the app. One question you might ask, why are we building an app? The reason is you can build an app and it will solve a particular problem for users, and it is very easy for people to download the apps if you have uploaded it in the Google Play Store. From any corner of the world, anyone can download your app and they can use it. You can also make money by developing apps. You can integrate AdMob into the system and you can earn money. So as you can see, the application is running on the emulator, and you can see in the first screen, if you click on next, it will start the next page or activity, and this is by default. So what we're gonna do, we will create an app that will show me a random number. So let's go to our code. Click on res and folder and we'll open the activity main. So we'll try to change some settings of these components, but as you can see that we can't do it from here. So we'll double click on the include, so it will show take me to the content underscore main.xml. From this layout actually we can change the properties of the button. So we'll click on the button and we'll change the caption. We have opened the fragment underscore full.xml layout and we have clicked on the next button, and on the right side just below the attributes you will find the ID. So we're changing the ID so we can reference it in our code. So we'll make it btn randomizer, and in the caption we'll write something like randomize. So as you can see there is a string value that is available here, so we'll just type the title of the value and we go to the values folder and open the string. As you can see there are lots of screen here, so we'll make a copy and change the name and also what is the value. So we'll make it randomize. There is a text view at the top of the activity layout, so we'll also change the text size so it will look big and better. So this is the place where the randomized number will show up. So we're trying to change the margin. So this is the how you can change the margin for any component like the button. So we will leave the margin as it is, and we'll change the ID of this text view. So we can name it text view number and click on refactor since it has been already been used. We'll also change the caption or the text of this text view. We'll write default number. So the default number we want it to be 0, so we'll just create a string and add the value as 0. Okay, now you can see that in this activity there is a button called randomize and there is a text view which is showing 0 as the default number. So our idea is when someone clicks on the randomize button, it will show a random number from 1 to 100. So we have opened this first fragment.java, which is the back end of the first window or the activity in our app. So first of all we'll change the name and replace it with button randomize. So this is the method when someone clicks on it. So on click will write the formula. So now we'll create a variable text view with text view number, and we'll bind it to the text view. So now we are commenting the lines which will not use it. So as you can see that we have to write the formula, which is very small, easy, and anyone can do it from home. So now we'll write the actual formula. Okay, now we'll write the actual code for the random. So we'll create an integer variable with the name min. So it will be the minimum number, minimum value, and we're now defining the maximum value. So the number should be between 1 and 100. So this is the final variable. So random equal to new random. So this formula will generate an random number. Okay, now we'll be showing the random number to the text view. Let's run the project. Okay, now you can see that if we click on the button randomize, it will uh, bring a number from 1 to 100 randomly, and it will show it on the screen. Okay, now we'll get rid of some of the components that we do not need. So let's get rid of the FAB icon. that is located in the lower right corner. There is a floating button, and we'll change some colors. So it will be useful for people who want to change the number, change the color of the app. We're going to change some colors now. So in the primary color, we'll write red since it is not here. So we have to include it in the strings folder. So we click on colors.xml under the values, and we'll create a new variable called red, and we have to close the brackets. Okay, we'll create another variable that is called the dark red. So there will be red and there will be dark red. We'll run the project now, and you can see that the title has been changed. Okay, as you can see that the color has been changed to red and dark red. If you click on the randomize button, it will as usually show a random number from 1 to 100. Thank you for being with us, and do like our video and share it on your timeline, and we'll be bringing you more videos. Do subscribe to our channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.